Hello, in this video I want to show you how to clear search history on Instagram. First you need to open the Instagram app, then go to the profile tab and here find the three lines on the top right corner. Select it and then click on the setting and privacy. Go to the account center. Here scroll down and find your information and permissions. Here select the search history. Here clear all searches, and then you can set the desired uh, variant, for example last hour, yesterday and all time, and then just click on the clear all searches. And this all, but all this version of these apps have this function here. You can go to the setting and find this. And this all for today. Goodbye.